This is Module 1, Topic B, Lesson 6. The objective for this lesson is to compare decimal fractions to the thousandths using like units and express comparisons with greater than, less than, or equal signs. So let's do a review of comparing numbers, just regular whole numbers. Compare 13,196 and 13,296. Which number is greater, and how can you tell? Well, 13,296 is greater, and it is greater because the digit in the hundreds place is 1 greater. So in 13,296, there's a 2 in the hundreds place, and in 13,196, there's a 1 in the hundreds place, making the 13,296 greater. We could also say that 13,296 is 100 more than 13,196. And we would write it with a symbol like this, with the less than symbol. And that would be read 13,196 is less than 13,296. So now let's look at comparing decimals. And we're going to compare 12 thousandths with 2 thousandths. So the first thing we're going to do is write 12 thousandths on our board, on our place value chart, and it would look like that, 0.012. And then we're going to write 2 thousandths in standard form on our place value chart, and it would look like this, 0.002. So we could say that 12 thousandths is 1/100th and 2 thousandths, and 2 thousandths is just 2 thousandths. So which number would be greater here? Well, 12 thousandths would be greater than 2 thousandths because 12 thousandths has a 1 in the hundredths place, and 2 thousandths has a 0 in the hundredths place. Okay? We would write this with a symbol like that. 2 thousandths is less than 12 thousandths. And again, it's that 1 in the hundredths place that determines this. What if we have comparing fractions as decimals? So compare 299 thousandths and 3/10. Well, the first thing we would do is write 3/10 in our place value chart in standard form, so it would look like that. And then we would write 299 thousandths in standard form, and it would look like this. And we would notice that 3/10 has more tenths than 299 thousandths, okay? But if we wanted to make 3/10 into thousandths, we could just add 2 zeros like that. This way they're the same length. And here we would say, we would see again that the 300 thousandths still has more tenths than the 299 thousandths. Therefore, the 3/10 is greater than the 299 thousandths. And we could write it like this. 299 thousandths is less than 3/10. We will continue to practice comparing numbers in class, especially the fractions to the decimals, and we're also going to start working on ordering decimals.